Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this video we will talk about the new feature of PHP 7.5, which is the use of array tags inside the stripe tags. Alright, so basically first of all let's check the official documentation comments, and then we will go for the example. Alright, so as you know that strip tags is used to remove the HTML entities from the string, right? So let's say in our HTML entity we don't want to remove some entities, like I just want to remain a and p tag from my HTML entity. Then before that I have to use this kind of string, right? Before that, but now in PHP 7.4 we can use the array of tags that we want to exclude from the strip, right? So now let's see the example here. So first of all I am just going to make some HTML entity here. So I just take a h1 tag, like put here some heading tag here, and we can put here h2 tag here, heading tag 2. Yeah, okay, we can put here like this, and at the last we can put some uh, anchor tag also, right? So now just take this all stuff inside the variable, like dollar tags, and just make right here like this, right? So now let's try to print it first of all. So just print here tags, and you will see that you will get the complete HTML as an output here, right? So just comment the heading for now, right? So now what actually I just want to remove the entity, then I can use the simply uh, stripe tags here. So just use the stripe underscore tags, and then it will remove all the HTML entity and just provide a complete string. But now what if I just want to remove the h1 tag here, alright, and a tag also? Then what I can just put here, so I just want to remove everything and I just want to keep them here, right? So in the previous thing we can just use before the before the PHP 7.4, I can just simply like use this a tag also, right? And it will just remove the HTML entity of h12 tag, and these tags which is provided here will be excluded, right? But now what actually PHP introduced, we can use here as an array, because this is not looking very cool. It's like a dumb string, so that's we can just put here like tag here like h1 tag, and you can just make then another entity like a tag, right? So with uh, new feature we can use an array here, right? So it will work the same here, you can see that. So if I just remove the one thing, then this is also fine, right? So it will remove the HTML entity from it except the h1 tag. So this is all about that the new feature of the strip tag inside the PHP 7.4. If you still have any kind of confusion, any opinion, suggestion regarding this, you can ask me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, and please like this video also. Bye bye, take care.